KuCoin is launching its 25 Spotlight token series. KuCoin will be launching the 25th Spotlight token series with SUI at 23 o'clock on April 14, 2023 UTC. There will be two ways to participate in this token series: hold and gain lottery tickets for general public sales participation, and ecosystem contributor allow list only public sale participation. Spotlight token sales details. Pool A, KuCoin general token sale. 1. Spotlight hard cap 20,500,000 USD. 2. Spotlight allocation 225 million of SUI token. Total winning ticket 22,500 tickets. 4. Maximum winning ticket per user 1. 5. Total SU for each winning ticket 10,000 SU, $1,000. 6. Spotlight token sales price. 1 SU token is $0.1, that's 10 cents. 7. Token sales format. Hold and gain lottery tickets. 8. Spotlight token distribution plan 1/13 will be unlocked on the token generation event TGE. After 30 days, an additional 1/13 shall be released monthly, such that all Spotlight allocations are released within 12 months from TGE date. How to participate in Pool A? Register now. If you don't have KuCoin accounts, I'm going to leave a link in the video description. You'll be able to register your account with KuCoin if you want to participate in this token sale from 0:00 on April 15, 2023 to 16 o'clock on April 22, 2023 UTC time. KuCoin will randomly take hourly snapshot of user USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, and Ethereum and KCS balance. The hourly average USDT dominated asset net worth NAV of USDT of this coin mentioned before will be determine the final number of the lottery each user can receive. Winner will be chosen in the lottery draw after the subscription period have ended. To be eligible to participate, users are required to have a daily average USDT dominated worth asset at least $550. The more holding a user has, the more token they will receive. So this is the rule. This is the table down here. You have to check this out. If you have $50 worth of this coin, you have one ticket. So this is what you need to know about this token sales. And again, there is this second way to get this token. The second way to participate in this token sale on KuCoin is Spotlight token details Pool B. It's called allow list ecosystem contributor only. 1. Spotlight hard cap 75,000 USD. 2. Spotlight allocation 25 million of SU coin. 3. Total winning ticket 16,666 tickets. 4. Maximum winning ticket per user 1 ticket. 5. Total SU for each winning ticket 1,500 SU token $45. 6. Spotlight token price. 1 SU is 1.03 cents USDT. 7. Token format allow list provided by the SU Foundation. 8. Spotlight token distribution 100% be unlocked at the mainnet. Used for verification. During this calculation period, the allow list user must be registered or newly registered on KuCoin using the same email and address and names. Otherwise, the user may have no access to purchase this token. From 0100 on April 18, 2023 to 16 o'clock on April 22, 2023 UTC time, all allowed user must complete or and pass the KYC not submission process not from restrict area and agree with the purchase agreement and click the register button on the token sales page. Allow user can finish KYC in advance. So this basically what you need to know about this token sales on KuCoin, and if this allow user were unable to purchase this token, they are going to allocate this token to the first pool A on this token sales. So that's what you need to know on this token sales. I'm going to leave a link in the video description so you'll be able to read this full article to know what you're about to get yourself into. Make sure you do your own research before you take any step on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.